Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create this pretty summer floral design using a brand new stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I find it usually helps to do a practice design using a nail tip first, so that you can get the colour scheme and the layout of the design just right. My base colour is Essie-Go Ginza, a pale lilac colour, and I'm applying 2 coats and then letting them dry. I'm using a brand new plate from Clear Jelly Stamper called In the Wind from the Dandelion collection. This has mostly full nail layered designs, and today I'm using this design here. I'll be using my trusty Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling stamper. The first polish I'm using is I Bought Beverages number 018, and I'm just going to stamp part of this image. These 3 flower heads. These are going to go at the top near my cuticle. And my next stamping colour is Mystic Moss number 038. And I'm just going to stamp these leaves and a flower stem just below the flowers, so that the stem is below the middle flower. There's a small gap in the top left hand corner, so I'm stamping some more leaves just to fill the gap. And I'm going to fill in the gaps near my nail tip with another flower. And now it's time to top coat. Make sure you do this carefully so you don't smudge your design. And here's the finished design. I really hope you like it. I think they look like Allium flowers. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And check out my Instagram for all my designs.